Hey everyone, Lucas at Lamin-x. If your door sill on your vehicle is scratched up from years of carelessly getting in and out of your vehicle, then our Lamin-x door sill guards might be the answer for you. Our Lamin-x door sill guards are a thick yet invisible layer of film that protects your door sill from any scratches as you're entering or exiting your vehicle. And today I'm going to show you how to install this product. Let's go. To start, you just want to clean the area using a microfiber towel and some water to make sure all the dust, dirt, lint, and debris is all removed from the area, because you don't want that to get trapped underneath the adhesive as you go to install the Lamin-x. And now we're going to take our roll of Lamin-x and kind of lay it out to get an idea of how much Lamin-x we're going to need before we trim it down and install it. And now soak the paint on your door seal with the spray bottle as well. And then we're going to remove our Lamin-x from the liner and mist the adhesive side of the film with a few water droplets. Now gently lay the film into position and start tacking it down with your fingers, mainly focusing on getting where the door sill curves first. Kind of run your finger in a sweeping motion back and forth, right on the curve of your door sill, making sure the film is all lined up. Now we're going to mist the outside layer of the Lamin-x, and this is going to serve as a lubrication layer as we take our squeegee with a moderate to firm pressure and all 4 fingers equally distributed on it to start squeegeeing the water out from underneath the film. Once again, we're focusing on the curved part of the door sill, making sure that it's all applied down there first, in tiny motions repeated all the way down the door seal. And once you have the film applied all around the curved area, you can then start squeegeeing the water out from underneath the flat part, keeping the same sweeping motion with the squeegee, using a moderate to firm pressure to make sure the film is applied all the way down. And then your Lamin-x is fully installed. Clean the area once more, and now the Lamin-x will serve as an invisible layer of skin to take any scratch or impact marks that you may leave as you're entering or exiting your vehicle. And because our door sill guards come in a 64-inch roll, you'll have extra Lamin-x to cover another door seal or even your vehicle's skirts. If you guys want to learn more about our Lamin-x products, visit our website laminx.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.